question, when you meet a colonel, what's the proper, like, how do I introduce myself? Do I salute? Oh, nice and crispy, right?
Yes.
So here's the question. We have Colonel representing chicken. We have you over here representing cranberry. So let's debate it. What is the better Thanksgiving food? Go, make your case.
Oh, chicken for sure.
Why?
Chicken for sure. Oh, it sticks with you. Sticks to your ribs.
Why cranberry?
Well, everybody has cranberries for Thanksgiving. And why not?
Listen, before things get ugly, let's just agree to disagree and have a little peace here, okay? You two?
Oh, yes, okay. We
Happy
will have peace.
Thanksgiving!
No food wars.